Hello, beautiful people. My name is Babalota Desi, and today I'll be showing you how to do your own DIY live-in conditioner. And thank you for subscribing. Please like and leave the comment down below so I can know what you like and don't, and maybe I'll try a few things that you guys would suggest. Okay, so I'm done with making the leave-in. So now I wanna apply it in my hair. Wait 30 minutes, wash it off so you can see the results. Oh flip. I forgot to take the towel so that it doesn't drip on this jersey. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Let's get right into business. I wish I could sing, guys. So you need to section your hair, right? So you can I was supposed to section my hair in four, but just decided not to. I think I should go to the oh my god. I think I should go to the bathroom because I feel like this is just gonna get messy. So yeah, that's my hair covered in our DIY. Oh flip. So just it was gonna be messy. Our DIY conditioner. I feel like here at the back didn't apply. So guys, if you didn't section your hair, you should just run your fingers through your hair and feel where you didn't apply, because it'll feel dry. That's what I'm doing now. And we are done. So now I need to put on plastics. So I use just normal plastic. I put 2, and I put a shower cap as well. So we wait for 30 minutes, wash it off. I'll come back after 30 minutes after washing it off and show you how my hair is. So what? Hey guys, so I'm done washing my hair, and please guys, I definitely made a mistake of forgetting to, what do you call it, so the dip-in conditioner immediately after blending. So I just washed my hair, and it has these white stuff. Yes, you can see them, those the white stuff. But this won't happen if you, I don't know if it's drained or surf, yeah, but if you surf, take a fine surf, try surfing the conditioner right after you just finish blending it, or else otlo le mathata, I'm telling you. So wet. Do you see? I want to keep on. So please guys, don't forget like I did. So please, and thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment as well.